Ow! Oh, this is worse than fucking glue. Today we have an unboxing of a steamer. This is not a paid advertisement, and I broke my other steamer that you've been seeing in the videos all these years. I dropped it and busted it, so I went and bought another one. One of these steamers is about $30 Canadian, so about $22 American, and just got it at the big department store. So what I would like to do is just kind of look at it. I chose this model instead of the other one that I broke because it does sit flat. The other one, it fell off of the counter because I don't want to put it face down to keep it from rolling. So that's one of the things. So I'm going to unbox this and begin. So I noticed right away that it's pretty light. Okay, so it's not too big. I'm more interested in the steam itself. So technically you're not supposed to steam your yarn because they use steam to blow it up. But if you're gentle about it, I think it's okay. Little teapot, short and stout. So I'm going to see how I can fill this with water. And it's got a line thing. And let's look at the instructions and see how this damn thing opens. All out for a steamer. Seems like it's round. There's no buttons. Oh my god, it's childproof. I don't know how this thing opens. While holding the main body of the steamer, twist the steamer clockwise and lift the head to remove. At this rate, I'm not going to be steaming nothing. Clockwise, clockwise, clockwise. Holy shit. Childproof. And lift and remove. My god. Okay, this steamer is for dummies, clearly. Oh. Oh. Wah, wah. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill it with water. After it took me almost 10 minutes to figure out how to open the damn thing. Okay, I just filled it with water and I'm going to put it back in. That, and then there's a lock on the side there. Okay, now I'm gonna plug it in. So I just plugged it in and there's a button on the back. And a green light turns on. So it says to wait 5 minutes before steaming. I bet it, does it automatically steam? Or do you, I don't see any buttons to push. Okay, so I'll wait. Oh, I hear something. I don't think there's any button to push. I want buttons. The other one had buttons. Okay, I'm looking at the head of the steamer. I'm so impatient. Well, it's been a minute yet. Oh, it's getting more deeper in sound, so I think it's sucking. Oh my god, if you put hamburger lights over me and the steam, I'd be like touched by an angel. So now I can steam my project. Ow! Oh fuck, this is worse than fucking glue. Okay, it's hot. Wow, this is a lot hotter than the last one, Jesus. Okay, they're not kidding, this thing is hot. So be careful with steamers, with any kind of yarn. Steaming is what makes it blow up, but if you over steam something, then what happens is that you can deflate your yarn. So let me grab a sample here. Wow, I can feel the steam going up to my hand. That never happened on the last one. So mental note to yourself, this is not for kids or adults like me that don't follow instructions, but it was already kind of straight. Your hope maybe if I steam myself, I'll become straight. Oh, not worth the heat. Yeah. Oh, it's hot in here. I need to start ripping off some clothes. Oh, maybe I gotta open another channel for that. Okay, so I'm all hot. I'm sweaty. So far, so good. And I do like that it sits flat, so at least when I put it down, it's not gonna be resting and still blowing steam. So there's no buttons to blow or push. I don't know why I said blow. That's it. So, so far I'm happy with it. That's something that I'm gonna use into the future. See ya.